What is going on, YouTube, and welcome to the video of Packy Kicks. This is your Pakistan Hasib here, bringing you another YouTube video. And for today's video, we're going to do an unboxing for you guys today. And we're going to unbox the most recent sneaker pickups. But before we get into this video right here, please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate the support for you guys, and you guys did that for me. And with all that being said though, let's get right into my most recent sneaker pickups. Alright, so for my first sneaker pickup, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I did already open the box just to see what it was. And that's just because I was really excited to open the shoe up, because this sneaker pickup right here is a long-awaited delayed W, because they restocked this sneaker, I believe, a week and a half ago, if I'm not mistaken. And it was definitely one of my most wanted sneakers from 2019, and I was really glad they retroed it. So I already have an idea, I already know what it is, but since I already opened the box before, but I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. So having this open and taking out the box and moving this to the side, as you guys can see, this is a Nike Air Force One box. So if you guys think back and look back and remember what came out the past week and a half, that was a Air Force One. And I mean, the tag does just show like what it is, but I'm not going to show you guys the tag. I'm just going to open up the box and tell you guys what it is. And I'm just really happy to have the sneaker too, so showing you guys what it is. Boom, here you guys go. It is an all black Air Force One, and it's got the air writing on the sides, the white outline. You guys already know this, the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Force Ones. I'm super glad to get these on the restock on Cactus Plant Flea Market's website, and I was able to hit on them, and I'm just really glad to have them because it is a very unique and out there Air Force One, but I really like it a lot. I think it's just different. And they came out with the black one right here of the Air Forces, and they did the all white one that said Air Sunshine on the side. I liked the Air Flea ones more personally because the air writing and the flea writing just popped out more. The all white pair were just literally all white, and I think this is also 3M too, so I'm kind of excited to have the black one. But like I said before, when these came out last year on Nike ID, I really struggled to get a pair because it was just, people weren't really making the designs, they were just quickly adding to the cart and just checking out, so I wasn't able to get it last year. But luckily, like I said before, I was able to hit on the restock on their website on these, so I'm really glad to have them, and this is my first sneaker pickup for today. So for my second pickup is actually a box that I opened this time, and this box comes from Nike Sneakers. This is a shoe that came out last weekend, that came in the mail this week, and it's been sitting in my room for a few days. Like I said before, I've been really lazy to make YouTube videos or just been busy with school in general, so I haven't gotten a chance to open it, but I'm finally doing it today. So I got my scissors with me, and let's get into the box right here. So opening the box up, we have this very nice looking unique Air Jordan box. This is one of their more special edition boxes right here, and by the way the box looks, you guys may already tell what shoe this might be. And I'm really happy to have this sneaker because I just really like the colors a lot on this shoe. And opening the box up and getting into the sneaker, we have here is the Oregon Air Jordan 5, or the, I think it's called Apple Green Air Jordan 5s or something, but I'm gonna call them Oregons. And in my opinion, this is a fire sneaker right here. The colorway is just super dope on this. And when I found out that they were gonna try to make an Oregon themed Air Jordan 5 colorway similar to the PE, I needed to have these because I just really like the yellow hints where the shark teeth is and the all over green upper. It's one of my favorite shoes for sure, and they just look super clean, and the quality on them is A1 on this sneaker too. So I'm really happy to have this shoe. I did have the Michigans last year when they did the Michigan PE release, but unfortunately I sold those, so I don't have those with me no more. But these are definitely keepers for me for sure. I just really love the material on this shoe, and the colorway is just super dope on this. And also the box too, just in general. Like when they make these types of boxes right here, it's just very nice, and you're gonna get a really nice quality sneaker when it comes to this. So this shoe did re-release a few times this past week, or restock. And I feel like if you were able to at least hit the restocks, you were able to get this shoe, but it was pretty limited though nonetheless. So I'm really glad to have them though, at least have them added to my collection, because this is one of my more anticipated releases for the month of September. So I'm really glad to have them. But that's basically the pickups I have today for you guys. Let me know what you guys do think of my most recent sneaker pickups. Let me know if you guys like them or hate them. Let me know in the comments below. Also, please make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate if you guys did that for me, and appreciate the support from you guys. Also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. It's on the bottom left corner of this video. And once again, guys, I appreciate you watching today's video and looking at what my pickups are for today. Peace.
And it's feel like ones, millions feel like thousands. Never see the sun, always see the night. Gang ain't just like fam, no.